Anytime now, race number 5. Another PRCI Bagat Sync Cup special race. All set now, ready to race. Race number 5. Away they go. Snake Me Spaghetti Cool Reception. Moving up by the Pure Energy alongside Fly Other Fly Swap Tiger. Typhoon Doding is running by the winner take all. Back to the leader. Snake Me Spaghetti by about 2 lengths, followed by Cool Reception. Pure Energy, Fly, Other Fly, then here comes Typhoon, Doding by Drill. Rounding the far third, Snake Me Spaghetti by Anek, being hounded by Pure Energy, Fly, Other Fly, and Typhoon, Doding's running by Drill, Cool Reception, but still Snake Me Spaghetti by Anek, Pure Energy on the outside, and Typhoon Doding is running by Drill. Fly Other Fly on the further outside. It's now Pure Energy, Fly Other Fly, Typhoon Doding down on the inside, but still Pure Energy by about 2 lengths. Snake Me Spaghetti, and nearing the finish line. Number 1, Pure Energy. Second, Snake Me Spaghetti, winner take all. Fly Other Fly, Cool Reception, Typhoon Doding.